Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 18, verses 1 to 17:1. After this, David defeated the Philistines and subdued them, and took Gath and its towns out of the hand of the Philistines. 2. He defeated Moab, and the Moabites became servants to David and brought tribute. 3. David defeated Hadadezer king of Zobah toward Hamath as he went to establish his dominion by the river Euphrates. 4. David took from him 1,000 chariots, 7,000 horsemen, and 20,000 footmen. And David hamstrung all the chariot horses, but reserved of them enough for 100 chariots. 5. When the Syrians of Damascus came to help Hadadezer king of Zobah, David struck 22,000 men of the Syrians. 6. Then David put garrisons in Syria of Damascus, and the Syrians became servants to David and brought tribute. The Lord gave victory to David wherever he went. 7. David took the shields of gold that were on the servants of Hadadezer and brought them to Jerusalem. 8. From Tibbath and from Cun, cities of Hadadezer, David took very much bronze, with which Solomon made the bronze sea, the pillars, and the vessels of bronze. 9. When Tou king of Hamath heard that David had struck all the army of Hadadezer king of Zobah, 10. He sent Hadoram his son to King David to greet him and to bless him, because he had fought against Hadadezer and struck him. For Hadadezer had wars with Tou, and he had with him all kinds of vessels of gold and silver and bronze. 11. King David also dedicated these to the Lord, with the silver and the gold that he carried away from all the nations, from Edom, from Moab, from the children of Ammon, from the Philistines, and from Amalek. 12. Moreover, Abishai the son of Zeruiah struck 18,000 of the Edomites in the valley of Salt. 13. He put garrisons in Edom, and all the Edomites became servants to David. The Lord gave victory to David wherever he went. 14. David reigned over all Israel, and he executed justice and righteousness for all his people. 15. Joab, the son of Zeruiah, was over the army. Jehoshaphat, the son of Ahilud, was recorder. 16. Zadok, the son of Ahitub, and Abimelech, the son of Abiathar, were priests. Shavsha was scribe. 17. And Benaiah, the son of Jehoiada, was over the Cherethites and the Pelethites. And the sons of David were chief officials serving the king. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, chapter 18, verses 1 to 17. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.